back at York Dam. It's December 2020, and there's been a lot of progress on stabilizing this restoration project. So the dam has been removed. This big hole right here was formerly a dam that had backed up lots of sediment. In order to stabilize the work that they did, the crews put in riprap or revediments, giant rock pile down here along the bank where the river might cut in and threaten the road over on this side. And they did a whole lot of this straw rope to prevent fine sediment from going down into the water. And they also hydro-seeded, it looks like, or put some kind of seed mix out on all of this. And especially across the channel where it's very steep, it looks kind of green. That's what hydro-seed mix looks like. It's basically like having a little seed cannon that sprays seeds that's in kind of a slurry that will stick to the dirt. And then as soon as it rains, that'll start coming up as little sprouting grass. And you can even see a little bit of that here at my feet. So yeah, so it's great to see that they're completing the project on schedule, and it looks like they're doing a really good job of stabilizing the banks, which were left very raw after all the excavation of sediment that they did to remove this barrier to fish passage.